Yes, hello everyone. Now we continue our lesson about the Photoshop. So after you know about the shadow, stroke, text, duplicate layer, so now we go to the option. So I just explain you about the part again. You just open the new project and click your site what you want to design and the colors. Okay, now we remind again about our lesson. This one we call part. Okay, if you want to refill another one, right click around. Okay, move tool. If you want to change the color, oh, this one is the part. I will tell you about the delete the layer. Okay, right click, delete the layer. Another one is the duplicate layer, but you already know. And now we just click the delete the layer. Or you move to down here, delete. Okay, move here, delete. Move here to delete. So you can practice yourself. One, if you want to change the color, you just click here to color overlay. And you can see the stroke. The stroke is the another one color. Okay, if your version do not have the duplicate the stroke, you can have one, it's okay. So just make default or refresh default, and you can delete the stroke here. Sometimes you just press more and more, but if you use lower version than me, so you have only one stroke, only one shadow, only one, and color overlay only one, cannot do this one. Okay, if you use another lower version out of Photoshop, but if you use similar my version, it will show this one. So this one more easy for you. Okay, the upgrade. So this one you can install it with the Windows 10. Yeah, Windows 10, Windows 11 you can install it, but below Windows 10 you cannot install this version. Okay, can install with the version CFI or CC. That's it. But this one you need to have the Windows 10. Okay, requirement of the Photoshop 2020. Okay, click, and then this one we move to okay, and type. Okay, you can practice, right? If you don't practice, you can no you I said you cannot do anything. You can if you don't practice. When you do this one, take it, and you can see shape here, win anymore like this. Okay, like that. 3 lift, but however this one will not use anything because it's for the toy only, not for professional work. Okay, if you want to change the color, just click overlay and change the color. Okay, yeah. So this one you want to change the color, so this one you need to practice yourself, color overlay. And then when you do more and more, you can know how to change the color, where is the color, where is the text. You can write the text anymore. Yeah, when you typing, no see, right? Because all the text is white color, so this one anymore. Okay, and then control enter, and then you move the text and move it smaller, right? Just click on this one, just shift or L, click here. Okay, or you press another one is the T, take select, and you go to the window character or control T. Yeah, this is the reason that I tell you you need to practice more and more. Okay, Photoshop, if you just learning without practice, you cannot know and cannot do anything. So after learning, you need to practice one by one, step by step. Okay, how to change the color, how to do the take, how to do the stroke, shadow. Okay, like this, stroke and shadow. Move here to the shadow, more bigger, like this. You can see here, more bigger. Because the more stroke, it's also more bigger, and then it can more smaller. And also this one, okay, more clear or not clear. And stroke outside, inside, center, color or gradient. So you need to practice whatever you want. You will do what you want. If you don't practice, what is this? Just can color. What is the pattern? You need to change the pattern. Okay, this one you need to test yourself. Okay, but when design you need to think, oh, good or not. Yeah, just click the gradient or color. Okay, gradient color depend on you. Okay, just click OK. And then this one, I want to change the color. What? How? Okay, click the overlay. I want to change the color. Easy, right? Yeah. And how I do the gradient color? Just click here. No. Click. Gradient. No. How? Here. No have gradient. This one have gradient or not? Gradient overlay. Okay. So take out the color overlay and you can see the gradient overlay. Alright, yeah. This one, pink. Yes, okay. This one we call gradient color. Scale. Okay, you can see this one. It's moving and change. Okay. More. And another one is a Control R. Click and double click on here and change the color. You can see. Yeah. How you want this one location, and the shadow is more smoother, solid, noisy. Test, okay, test it. Don't worry. Click. Check another one. Another one. Another one. This one. This one, right? Just change like this and change the rectangle. Okay. Reset alignment. Okay. What you want to see? Okay, like this. And just click OK. So this lesson you know about the gradient, right? You want to see the gradient, this one more bigger, and then you just click the color gradient, just click F8 and go to the color overlay. Gradient overlay. Okay, take out the color overlay and you can click only the gradient overlay. But if you want to do yourself, you want to add color yourself, so just click on this one and you double click on the color, put the black. Another one is put the green. Right? Okay. If you want to do the default color, you can click over and click. If you want to change, double click and change another color, yellow. This one with the red. Alright, and this one with white or what? Black. Like this. Okay, now you understand about the gradient. I hope you can do it. And if you want to gradient the type, example. Okay. Change the type, style. more bigger, control shift or R, or this one. Okay, so you want to put the gradient color, just click gradient overlay. That's it. You want to show the green, double click, change the green color, and another one is the yellow color or green, more green, light green, dark green. Okay, and this one you want to see the another color like this. Okay, so we have the gradient color, and you want to put a shadow. Okay, shadow like that, stroke like that. Change the stroke color, just click on the stroke and put the change color, and shadow just move, you can see, and more bigger like this. Inner, you can see the inner, outer like this. Oh my god, good, right? Good. You see, before we use the fake color, zoom in, zoom out, control minus and control plus, and fit the size is control 0, and zoom in, zoom out, print size, it means the print quality, and control R, scroll up and down, zoom in, zoom out also. Control plus, control minus, it zoom in, zoom out also. And view the fake color is the on screen, control 0. Okay. Zoom out, control plus, and fake the screen is control 0. Okay, thank you for watching this lesson. Or more important is the gradient color. Thank you.